Now, recently, somebody has introduced me about the Venom blockchain, and I am so curious. And I just really check it out to see if it's something worth it. When their mainnet is going to launch later on, especially their testnet opportunity right now. So, if you want to dig deeper on what Venom blockchain is all about, especially its dApps, features, and their ongoing testnet opportunity, well, keep watching. So, GM everyone, this is Nomad Fury. So, before we begin, kindly acknowledge the disclaimer that I have right here in this video and in the description, as this is only intended for educational and informative purposes. And just to be fair and transparent to all, this video review and insight of mine is going to be unbiased. So if you choose to take part of this opportunity, well, that's on you. Your money, your decision, your risk, your responsibility. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is what I'm talking about, the Venom blockchain. So just simply head over to Venom.Foundation. So I provided all the source links right here on my video description. Right now, I am going to give you a little bit of introduction on what a Venom blockchain is all about, in which they are a unique layer 0 blockchain-based platform that brings innovation to the field of decentralized finance, or simply known as DeFi. So the goal of the Venom Foundation is to develop a blockchain-based decentralized global economy in which they are using the disruptive blockchain technology to provide real-world assets, or RWA in short, with unparalleled transparency in contrast to conventional financial system. So it's all about serving the needs of emerging economies worldwide, and about the potential of Venom blockchain is that they could serve as a foundation for central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs in short, and Web3 applications, in which it's one of the trending right now in the crypto and blockchain space. And another good thing about Venom blockchain is that they're offering scalable solutions for various transactions to their one-of-a-kind sharding protocol. And of course, by enabling the running of community-built subchains, it allows them for future economic scalability, which welcomes the participation from all of the members through this one-of-a-kind open and transparent ecosystem. So in the world of DeFi and global payment systems, so Venom itself is a multi-blockchain network in which they serve as the basis for scalable Web3 applications. So that's a little bit of an introduction regarding Venom blockchain. So we all know that, most of these testnet campaigns around the corner, there's a chance that you will be getting a bigger airdrops. Been there, done that already in the past, by just doing testnet campaigns or so. I receive an airdrop in return. So Venom blockchain is one of them, and this opportunity is open to all right now who wants to participate in their testnet and gain some airdrops for it. And of course, guys, when it comes to these airdrops, by just participating in the testnet, so they can be really profitable. And the good thing about Venom Foundation is that they have launched a $1 billion investment fund in the form of Venom Ventures Fund, or VVF in short, in collaboration with the Iceberg Capital. So the modular blockchain at the heart of Venom Foundation's architecture was constructed using its own threaded virtual machine, or TVM in short, that executes smart contract code on the blockchain itself. Now, what makes this different, guys, compared to the other EVMs out there is that this novel method is using asynchronous communication and dynamic sharding to facilitate the execution of the smart contracts. Now, and the processing of the interactions between accounts can be done with more parallelism and less latency thanks to the use of TVM. So when there's a lot of traffic on the network, validators automatically split into parallel groups and execute transactions using the split event. So this guarantees that the network will run smoothly and effectively even during the periods of high demand. So that's just about it regarding the TVM, courtesy of the Venom Foundation. And when it comes to their smart contracts, guys, they are more flexible and has a controlled flow over the execution of application logic, in which users like us, especially you who are watching this video right now, could start building smart contracts with Solidity by using the toolchain and development guides of the Venom blockchain. So as we browse right here in the website, so it says secure by design, scalable by nature. So we could explore more of them later on, alright? First, guys, they have a Venom wallet as well. So we could get it on Google Play, Apple App Store, APK file for Android, and the Chrome extension. But of course, later on, I'm going to show you how are we going to install right here on my Android phone. So Venom blockchain, guys, a blockchain without boundaries. Okay, so this is their current missions. And of course, guys, for developers, so we could build our dApps, and as users, we could explore Web3 without constraints. And of course, guys, this is the current ecosystem right now of the Venom blockchain. So you could see that they have a Venom wallet, the Venom scan, the Venom pulse, the Venom bridge, the Web3 world, the Oasis gallery, and so much more. And of course, there are many opportunities that they have in store for us. So it's an ecosystem full of potential for innovative solutions. So if you want to launch a project, so you could do so right here and explore the grants. And to explore the ecosystem, we go to that in just a bit. And of course, it's a blockchain for developers. So it has plenty of unique features that differentiate it from the other blockchains. So if you want some in-depth information, so all you have to do is to read their docs or their GitHub. So more information right here, such as a TVM, in which I have explained it earlier. And the other terms right here, guys, okay? And of course, Venom has several use cases, which they are versatile and innovative, such as DAO, SocialFi, DeFi, CBDCs, DIDs, TradeFi, and GameFi. And we could explore the grants right here. Like, if you have your own idea, well, a seasoned team could potentially bring that idea of yours to life. Or if you already have your own minimum viable product or MVP in short and is ready to get your first users, well, they could provide it as well. Or if your product is already well designed and has live users, well, you could apply grants as well. So this is the process right now, guys. Okay, now resourceful teams with passion in their hearts who strive to implement new ideas to life. So there are stages right here, such as pre-screening. When you're going to submit this idea of yours, so they're going to review it if it fits the basic criteria. So you might want to wait between 2 to 4 weeks after the pre-screening. So once you have passed this, so all you have to do is to pitch it, like tell them about your idea, and then the process takes 1 week. And the final stage is approval, in which they're going to decide if it's something worth their time to give you the grant. Okay, so if you want to apply for grants, so you could do so. All right, and of course, here are the official social media channels of the Venom, such as a Discord, Twitter, forum, and the Medium. And of course, if you have some frequently asked questions, so you could browse them right here, guys. Okay, or you could ask them right here in the forum. And of course, Venom was featured in these various media sites, and you could also subscribe to their newsletter. And of course, for some in-depth information, so it's better for you to check out their white paper. So I'm going to open it right now. So there are 27 pages of the white paper, but I would like to cite some pages right here in which it's something that is worth to discuss. So I am going to page like 19, something like this. So let's go to the token economics of the Venom. So maybe I should zoom. Okay, Now, you could see right here, guys, about the Venom token. So it's a primary currency that was used within the Venom blockchain, and it was designed to act as a utility token that provides several essential functions within the ecosystem. So you could see more information right here on how the Venom token was used, like incentivizing validators, protecting against Sybil attacks, dedicated staking, governance, and so much more. And they were subdivided into the smaller transferable units called the Nano Venom. So more information is right here in the table. So for the total supply, so they didn't mention it for now because it has an inflationary model. It means that when it's inflationary, it has no fixed maximum supply of tokens. Okay. But of course, they are exploring ways to transition to a deflationary model. So more information right here, guys. So during the mainnet launch of the Venom blockchain, so they're going to release 7.2 billion Venom tokens. So 15.5% of it is for unlock and immediately available, while the remaining 84.5% will be locked, in which it also includes 10% of the initial supply as a stake of the initial validators. So the projected annual inflation rate is 1% or 72 million Venom tokens. And of course, here is a table for allocation of the Venom tokens, okay? And of course, guys, one of the important stuff that we all need to know before we are going to take part of this opportunity is no other than the roadmap to see where they're going to head, like where is their direction, if it's something worthwhile or not. So I am going to scroll down. Okay. So right here on page 26. So they have various stages like the POA launch, or simply known as a proof of authority. And for the next stage, they're going to transition from proof of authority to proof of stake and governance. And for the second stage, they will be focusing on the work chains and interoperability. So more information is just right here in the official white paper of the Venom blockchain. Okay, so going back here in their ecosystem, okay, so let's try to explore some more. All right, so this is the entire ecosystem of the Venom blockchain. Of all the features, of course, it's really important that you should create at least one Venom wallet to get things started, to try out the ecosystem of the Venom blockchain, especially that they are on a testnet campaign. Okay, now this is what you have been waiting for. So it's time for me to share to you guys a step-by-step guide on how are we going to participate in the Venom blockchain testnet and earn some testnet Venom tokens at the same time for completing the task. So let's try to explore a bit. It's available for the desktop, iOS, and Android. But of course, later on, I will be showing to you my clip about setting up my Venom wallet and participating in the testnet campaign. So before that, more information right here in which we could send and receive tokens and NFTs. We could log into the dApps, create default or multi-sig accounts, and it has support for Ledger integration. So hopefully not just Ledger, maybe other hardware wallets in the future. And of course, you see that they have a mobile app and browser extension. But we're going to focus on the mobile version for this video. And of course, this is meant for developers, in which there are various links like the in-page provider GitHub, the in-page provider Playground, and the Venom Connect. And of course, more information right here about the Venom Foundation. So we could access high-performance dApps right here, all right, as what you have seen right here on the screen. So without further ado, let's head over to my mobile phone. Okay, so what I need to do is that I will be searching for the Venom wallet right here on my Android phone via the Google Play Store. So you could see right here, this is the information about the Venom wallet. Okay, so make sure that the publisher's name is the Venom Foundation. So what I'm going to do is that I will be installing the Venom blockchain wallet right here on my Android phone. Okay, so let's wait for it, guys. Now you could see in my phone, so there's a security scan, checking for security measures. So it passed security test, so it's completely safe. So what I'm going to do is that I am going to open the Venom wallet. So since I don't have an account yet, so what I'm going to do is that I will be creating a new account, and of course it says sign the decentralization policy to proceed. Okay, so either I could choose any of these, but of course I have written all of my seed phrases on the paper, so we could check the seed phrase for verification. So in my case, so I have to input the exact word on this number. Okay, once it's done, guys, so I click confirm. And of course, it needs us to create a password, and they're going to asking for it, for each transaction. Okay, so once I've entered my preferred password, so I click confirm. And of course, it says right here, congratulations, your seed phrase has been successfully imported. I would try no thanks for me to proceed. And of course, this is how the wallet looks like. It's still under the testnet version. Okay, so you could see my address, for the testnet. And of course, we could add another account if we wanted to. All right. And of course, for the settings, so there are some preferences. So you could see right here, this is the QR code and my public address being displayed. And of course, since this is a new account, so I do not have some Venom tokens yet. All right. But of course, once again, this is just a testnet version. And of course, they also have features like the browser, scan QR, and profile. And of course, for the browser, so we could browse some dApps, but I am going to show it to you later on. And if you want to scan our QR, so you could see this prompt. And of course, when we check our profile, so you could see all of the information right here and the settings. And of course, we can enable the biometrical login. Okay. So I'm not going to reveal my seed. It's really important for it to stay private and protected. Don't show it to anyone. To get started, participating in the testnet, so just go to the browser section and type venom.network, and then just press enter. So we go to its website. All right, so here we are right now. So all you have to do is to join the testnet of the Venom blockchain. So here are the steps, by the way. So since I have installed Venom wallet, so all I have to do is to go to step 2 and get Venom tokens. Okay, so complete 3 tasks to earn 50 Venom. So I log in with my Venom wallet, and of course here it is. So I'm just going to select this one and then click select. And of course, you could see some information here. So just click allow. Okay, so the next step is to log in to my Twitter account, to authorize Venom Foundation to access my account. So I click authorize app. So it redirects back to the application to credit this task. It's now check mark. And now we have to follow the Venom Foundation's official Twitter account. So I go to Twitter again. And then I just have to click the follow. And then once it's done, so we go back, guys. Now we scroll down. So all you have to do is to click check. And then it says task completed. So all you have to do is to claim our 50 Venom. Okay. These are just test tokens, by the way. We sign the data. So once you acknowledge, just click submit. And then, of course, it needs our password, to continue. It's really important that you should not forget your password. So once I've entered my password, so all I have to do is to click submit. And there we go, guys. So it's currently under processing. All we have to do is to wait for the 50 Venom tokens to be credited to our testnet account. Okay, so you could see the disclaimer right here, guys. All right. It says your tokens will be claimed soon. Okay, so you could see right here the NFT achievements. So yeah, this is how it is for now. So we could explore more right here, by completing the task, in the Venom wallet. All right. And of course, there's what we call the Web3 world, the Venom bridge, the Venom stake, and of course, the Oasis gallery, and so much more, like the Venom pad, and the others are still under the maintenance. But take note that these are just testnet tokens that we are going to earn, okay, just to test out the ecosystem of Venom. Now, you can see right here, I am going to complete the task. So, you could see that, of course, this is the NFT that we are going to mint, of course. But first, you need to follow the Venom network right here in their official Twitter. And then, of course, let's follow them. And then once you do that, let's go back. And then, of course, let's keep scrolling down. And then to verify, just click check. And then it's currently under processing mode. And then we need to tweet about the Venom Testnet. So we created a Twitter post about the Venom Testnet by using this one. So all we have to do is to tweet. So it's currently loading right now. And of course, this is the sample tweet, but of course, we could also customize our tweet. Okay, so I have clicked the tweet, and then we just have to check our profile first, and then we check the latest tweet. Okay, so it says just claim my first faucet, and then let's go back, and then of course let's click the check. Okay, so it says a task completed, and then we mint the NFT. So once we do that, guys, okay, so it needs us to sign this message. So it costs around 1 Venom, and of course you could see it's a blockchain fee, so it's kind of affordable. So once you do that, so we just have to click send, and of course I have to sign with my biometric. So it's currently under processing mode. Okay, so we just have to wait. And of course, guys, you could see that I already have the 50 Venom that was credited from my earlier tasks. Okay, but once this task was completed, of course, it will deduct 1 Venom. So my updated balance is now at 49 Venom. Okay, so it's just being round off. So it's 48.99 something because of the blockchain fee. And of course, you could see the assets, and here's a transaction. So earlier I received 50 Venom, and because of this kind of task, so it cost me around 1 Venom minus the blockchain fee in the Venom blockchain. Now let's move on to the Venom wallet. So I need to complete this task. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, is that I will be sending a token first. So send Venom from your Venom wallet to this specific address. All right, so I'm going to copy it. So it's copied, and then we go to the wallet section, and then we send some Venom. So for instance, I am going to paste the receiver address, and maybe I should try sending out 1 Venom. So I click send. So the amount is 1 Venom, so it cost me this blockchain fee on top of that. So I'm going to click send, and then I'm just have to use my fingerprint. The transaction has been sent successfully. So I click OK. So you could see this one right here, it's currently in progress. So we just have to wait until the blockchain fully confirms it. Now it's finally confirmed. Okay, so it was deducted once again. And then I click check. So it's processing. So we just have to wait for it. All right, until there's a prompt in which the task is completed. And there you go, guys. And now all we have to do is to mint the NFT. So once again, of course, it cost me 1 Venom on top of the blockchain fee. So I just have to use my fingerprint again. Okay, so it's currently processing. So all we have to do is just to wait for the NFT to be credited, to my account. So you can see right here, it says need more Venom. So this is much easier. So there's a daily task, you could earn these Venom tokens, in the testnet. So we complete the daily quiz. So for instance, bridge networks can be used to bridge tokens to the Venom chain. So for instance, I say all of the above and then I click send. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the day. So all I have to do is to claim, and then we sign the data and then click submit. And then I need to do some biometric stuff. And we just have to wait for the 5 test Venom tokens to be sent and credited to my wallet address. And of course, guys, there are some other tasks right here, like login to our Discord account, and then other tasks like join the Venom Foundation on Discord, receive additional tested tokens. Okay, so that's just about it, to share to you guys on how the testnet works. So we just have to do it like every day, I'm claiming these Venom tokens via their testnet faucet, and then you're going to use them in their dApps to complete this task, like the bridge, the DEX, the NFT marketplace, and so on, until you have completed all the tasks in order for you to maximize your rewards, in their airdrop when their mainnet is going to be launched. So that's just about it for the Venom network testnet. So there you have it, guys. At least I have shared to you regarding a Venom blockchain. So to recap, guys, I have given you a brief introduction about the Venom Foundation, the Venom token and its dApps, and a step-by-step guide in participating in the Venom blockchain testnet. So if you want more details, so I provided all the source links right here on my video description. So once again, peeps, kindly acknowledge the disclaimer that I have right here in this video and in the description, as this is only intended for educational and informative purposes. And just to be fair and transparent to all, this video review and insight of mine is going to be unbiased. So I am not promoting any financial or investment advice. So if you decide to take part of this opportunity, well, that's on you already. Your money, your decision, your risk, your responsibility. So proceed with caution. So if you think that this video is quite helpful and valuable to you, kindly do not hesitate or think twice in sharing this to your crypto and non-crypto friends out there, especially those who are still enthusiastic about airdrops, testnets, blockchain, and so much more. So I do have a question for you. Did you enjoy watching this video? Has this video helped you a lot and gives value in any way? And what do you think about it? Just let me know right here in the comment section. So once again, this is Nomad Fury, and I'll see you all on my next video.